What is going on, guys? It's been a while since I posted a video. I'm crazy busy lately. Today's gonna be a quick one, but I just want to jump in and let you guys know about this. So we needed tires for the Altima. Got 170,000 miles now. Those tires had, I don't know, 50, 60,000 miles on them. It's time for something different. So got to looking around and found the cheapest place to get tires, and they're actually name brand. The Altima takes two 1560R16s, and I actually found that Walmart is the cheapest place to get them. Let's jump over to the computer and show you. So when I was looking around at tires, I looked online, I checked locally, I jumped on Walmart and actually found that Walmart has Goodyear tires. Actually the Reliant, it is a Walmart exclusive tire. So it is going to be on the lower end, of course, but 65 bucks a piece currently. Normally 95. They've got a Black Friday sale going on right now. If I was able to pick them up for 65 bucks a piece. If we look down here, it's actually got a 65,000 mile treadwear warranty on them. It's an all-season tire. Online, I have seen some reviews that they're a little loud, so as I get some miles on these things, I'll throw it down in the comments of this video on what I think about them. But it is a Goodyear tire at the end of the day. When I was looking elsewhere, I jump over here, Discount Tire, the 2008 Altima, and I've sorted these from price lowest to high. And then if we look, there's a Westlake 68 a piece, only got a 45,000 mile warranty, and it's not a Goodyear. Get down, the Century tire, 75 a piece, GT 87, just goes up from there. And a lot of these are kind of a lower end brand compared to Goodyear. Same thing, Tire Rack was actually way expensive. So I did the same thing here, pulled up the vehicle. Cheapest tire they offer is a Continental, $142 a piece. So once again, this is just a commuter car, so I went with the Goodyear Reliant from Walmart, $65 a piece. So I actually just took the wheels off, took them down there. To be honest, I didn't want to take the car into Walmart and let them mess with it, so I just took them the wheels. So here we have Goodyear Reliant. Pretty good tread pattern on it. All in, all four tires, mounted and balanced, ended up about $340. In today's market, that's a deal. Another nice thing, being that this is a Goodyear, this tire is actually made in the US. Would I get tires from Walmart for the Shelby, or for my truck, or any other vehicle? Not a chance. But once again, for something like this, just trying to save some money, it's a car getting me back and forth to work. I was looking for the best deal possible, and getting these Goodyears seemed like the best route to go. I just wanted to throw this video up for anybody that's looking for a good deal on tires. If you know of anything better, it's a better deal or a better tire for an affordable price, drop it down in the comments below. Otherwise, I'm gonna get these things thrown on, and I'll see you guys next time.